So this is where the trains go from, and platform 2 is where our train's coming into. And the cost for 2 adults is $4.80 each return to Benidorm. So that gives you the cost. They have the cafeteria here, look, if you want to use it. And this is the back entrance to the Tram station, as they call trains here. Trens, T-R-E-N. So we're on the platform of the station waiting for the train. Should be 10:50, I believe. There is a website that you can go to. I'll put a link in the description box for you, so you can look at the website, because that gives the times of the trains and how long each trip takes to go. So that'll be worth having, I think. It's a beautiful day. We've had a couple of days of where it's been very cold and quite damp, but today the forecast has come good. They said it would be sunny, and it is. Temperature's still low, going to go up to 12 today, which for Spain is very low, but we have to have a winter, of course. So we just had to change trains because the first train stopped at Teulada, and we've had to change trains to go on to Benidorm. So that's what we're doing. So not quite sure why. Obviously the track goes in a different direction, maybe, I don't know. But certainly that's what we've done. So we're at Teulada, and we're now on a different train, which is an older train. So we just got off the train and the Benidorm stop, and we've got to get a bus into Benidorm if we want to, but we don't want to. So this is a shopping centre here, adaptation centre, shopping centre Benidorm. So we're going to go over here and have a coffee and a sandwich, and then go back on the train to Denia. So that's quite nice. It's been quite a nice journey, and couldn't see as much as what I expected to see, but there's the shopping centre in front of us, look. So that's quite nice, and we'll have a look in here and see what they've got. Well, this is where all the buses and the coaches are. But it's been a good trip, and it's certainly worth $4.80 of anyone's money. So if you're coming to Dénia, and then I would suggest that you grab the train for €4.80.